In this video, we'll be showing you how to print from your computer. The first step is to make sure that your printer is loaded with paper. Then, you need to make sure your printer is turned on. There may be a few screens that you need to click past in order to get to the main menu. Once your printer is turned on and ready to go, the next step is to open the file you would like to print. For example, here we have a Word document that we're going to print. Now, depending on your application, this may look different, but generally speaking, you're going to click on the File button, and this can be found in the top left-hand corner on most applications or on most screens. So go ahead, click File, and it should open up another menu from which you can select Print. So go ahead, click on the Print button. This will open your printing options. And now here you can see there's a bunch of different selections or adjustments you can make. And then here you can select the printer you would like to print from. Now it's really important if you have a wireless printer, you need to make sure that both your computer and the printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi. And then once they are connected, you should see it populating in this area. So once you've selected your printer or you have found it, go ahead and click on it. And then you can select the Print button, which will send the order to the printer. And that is how you print from your computer. Thanks for watching.